Hello everyone, my name is Saib Lohkare. I am from section 19 and in my DIY assignment number 3, I am going to open this domestic flour mill. So first we will see this flour mill is in working condition or not. So let me just turn on the button. So you can see this type of sound it is making because there is no wheat or rice put in there. So we will confirm that this flour mill is in working condition. Now we will disassemble the machine. So here you can see there is a one motor which help to rotate the flour mill cutter which is located on the front side. Basically flour mill consists of two motor which is in the back side you can see, and one is behind this big motor. And here it is a capacitor which provide 440 volt AC power supply with a frequency of 50 Hz. Here you can see a box which controls the whole power regular system. From here number of wires connected to different part in this machine is operated. We will see this one by one. The combination of wire which are in different color connected to the upper part of the motor. The blue wire is controls the mechanical system of the machine. The green wire is for motor. It helps to rotate the motor. Black wire is a neutral wire and the red one is a phase wire. Now let's see the front side of the machine. This chamber is for collecting the grain whatever we wish to grind. This is a cutter made up of stainless steel. Basically this chamber is called as milling chamber. And also here a net is connected on which a particular number is assigned to identify which net is for which grain. For example, net number 2 is for wheat, bajra, etc. And this is a atta bucket. Whatever we grind is collected over here. So let's reassemble it and see whether it is working or not. So you can see it is working properly. So that's it for my DIY assignment number 3. Thank you for watching this video.